Welcome to today's video. It is a chilly day. We are at the Nismo Omori factory, but we're not going to be going inside. We're going to be having a bit of fun with the S15. And when I say we're going to be having fun, I mean Randy's going to be having some fun.
What is up, everybody?
Have you ever driven an S15 before?
Let me see. Have I ever driven an S15?
You've driven some Pitch's S15 before?
Oh, I did. I've driven an S15 in the States.
Okay.
We had a friend from Canada come.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, and I was able to drive it, but you know, I haven't driven your S15.
That's true. So, have you ever been in a hot pink car before? Is that a first?
This is gonna be a first.
All right, hell yeah. All right, sick. At least there's one first there.
Oh man, this thing is beautiful. Yeah. Yo, guys, if you guys think this car is beautiful, give this video a thumbs up. It definitely helps out all of the videos.
Yo, my man, I didn't even have to say anything. You know what's up. All right, sick. So, here are the car keys.
Are you sure?
I'm sure, man. I'm 100% sure. I mean, you know, like you need to be on the left side of the road, right? Not the right.
Yes, sir.
All right, cool.
Just correct me if I mess up anywhere.
Oh, you'll be fine, dude.
You can do that, right?
Yeah, you'll be fine. Let's go. Jump in. Now, hopefully, because I know you're a bit of a short guy, can you reach the pedals?
Not at this. Oh my god.
All right, let's adjust that.
Okay, so I just head out this way or that way?
Yeah, this way. The guard will. Oh, dude, did you really just stall it?
Okay. That wasn't me. That was
like the softest clutch too.
There we go. Oh, it catches like instant. It's like my S13.
Yeah, so it's a Nismo copper mix, and from the 14s and up, so for the 15s, they made it a lot softer.
Okay, nice.
So you don't even know you're driving a heavy duty copper mix clutch, which is great.
Perfect.
Just go left here.
And we're gonna be going left.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm gonna make sure I angle just a little bit for you, just because I don't want to break anything.
You're very nice. There's no traffic, so you can go.
Okay, we're good.
Yeah. And if you're comfortable, you've got a bit of runway right now.
Oh, that is tight! And I get to do that in Japan?
Right.
That was so cool. And there's traffic on that end. Yeah. Absolutely no cars on this end.
No. And this takes you straight to Daikoku. Like literally we're 5 minutes from Daikoku PA.
Really?
Yeah. You can't get to the PA without going on the highway, but we'll be on the outside. So you get to see where the drifters normally skid.
Okay, let's make sure I don't stall this time.
You good? You got it.
Dude, this thing pulls.
Yeah.
I can't wait to get my car back from the shop, dude. Oh, dude, I'm so glad you let me drive this thing.
For sure, man.
Oh, what? Dude, SAMMIT is the man. This is my second time, well actually third time now, we met last night.
Yeah.
It's my third time meeting him and he's letting me drive his baby.
Hell yeah, man.
Thanks for trusting me with your car.
No, man, you got it.
Wow, dude, this thing, dude, it runs so smooth.
Yeah.
It's not obnoxiously loud.
No, it's only loud when you like open gate.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Man, and it feels so good and warm inside. We've been outside and it's just, I'm from California.
It's such a weird feeling being in the passenger seat, but honestly, man, just enjoy it as much as you want.
Just let me know if there's any lights. The lights here are so different from back home.
Yeah.
It's like one small little red light, but the green light is also on at the same time.
Yeah.
It kind of throws me off a little bit.
Yeah, no, that got me too.
Oh my god,
And
dude.
it just keeps going too.
No, it keeps going. It does not want to slow down.
Jump in the right and just floor it over the bridge.
Yeah, dude. And we get to do it in this beautiful ass place, bro. I'm sorry if I'm swearing, but I am so hyped right now. This Japan is beautiful.
Yeah.
This is why SAMMIT lives here.
Yeah, pretty much. I'll just go straight for now, and then we'll do a U-turn. See this cab where he's turning right? Just turn right there. We'll do a.
Oh yeah, U-turns are on this side.
Yeah. That's right. I keep forgetting that in the States, like whenever my friends come over from the States, they're always like right, left, like, and need help with that, but it's so.
Oh, almost stalled, forgot how.
You got it. Just
right?
chuck you back. Yeah, you got angles, so just keep turning.
Oh, we're chilling. Oh, you got an angle kit.
Yeah.
It's okay. Once before he gets into boost, it takes a little bit of time, and then as soon as you hit boost, you're going.
Yeah. It's so good, like, because coming coming from RBs, I've always only had RBs, right?
Yeah.
And coming to this SR, it blew my mind.
This
Just
is
how
the right lane,
responsive
right?
it was. Yeah, well, this will take you right.
Okay, perfect.
So
Let me
it's
know if
red,
I can
so
go.
just wait.
Oh, it's
Yeah,
red.
you can't turn right on red here.
I didn't see the light, I swear to God.
You're good, man.
Dude,
The moment there's no cars in front of you, you just
yes, sir.
and then follow this around to the left, and then we should be going right back onto the main road towards Izumi.
Any chance I can in Japan, dude. This place is so amazing. The past few
Right.
days have been amazing. Last night, SAMMIT saw me when I was like destroyed.
Oh, you were so wrecked.
I was exhausted. It was cold.
Yeah.
Another cold excuse. But I'm all refreshed, ready to go. And first thing we get to do is hop in this car, dude. Thank you so much, bro. I really appreciate
Anytime.
it.
Next time you're out here and you got a bit more time, need to take you drifting in it.
I would be down.
Yeah.
I will be back in May though.
In May? Yeah,
Yes.
we can make it happen.
Yeah, so hopefully I'll have a car too. I really want a lot of seat time. So
Yeah.
we're gonna be buying a car, going to Drift Matsuri.
Oh, sick. Hell yeah.
So I will see you out there.
Probably, yeah. I'll be in the
Okay.
Skyline or something like that, or something
perfect.
else by then, maybe.
Perfect. I'm just gonna get something that I'm not afraid of destroying.
Oh, yeah, for sure. That's what you gotta do.
Yeah. It's cool too. I love this color because you can see it.
Yeah.
When you're driving silver, all that stuff, it
Yeah.
kind of just blends in with everything.
Yeah.
Here you see pink here, pink there. In the back you see the pink wing.
Yeah.
Nice.
It catches your eye. It takes a while before you tell your brain to stop, like, oh, what is that? Like getting distracted by it, because at
Yeah.
first it's so like crazy. So you got an S13, and what engine SR is going in it?
Yeah, so I have a S14 SR.
Okay, good. So you got the VCT.
Yeah.
Here comes the bridge.
Oh, here's the. Oh, we're sending it. Woo!
The view's nice too.
Goodness. Yeah, no, it's nice here, dude. I am so jealous of you.
Yeah.
Japan is cool. Like for all of like, let's say anybody coming from my channel, like if you have a modified car here, cops don't usually mess with you.
No.
Unless you're doing something stupid.
Oh yeah, like if you're doing donuts in some weird place
Yeah.
or something like that. Yeah. You can't do that really here.
Continue going straight.
Yep. Yeah. I'll tell you when. Stay in this lane because we do need to turn right.
Okay, my sense of direction here is just completely out the window. Back at home, I can like literally go anywhere. Here, I'm just like, oh fuck, I'm in Japan.
Oh, do you want to drive to Up Garage Machida? That's where the guys want to go to now. They're messaging me.
Yeah. Tell
All right,
them.
yeah,
Let's
you can drive to Up Garage.
Let's
yeah.
do it. I get
Let's
to
do
drive a
it.
little bit longer. I'm down. Tell them let's go. I'm just going like this the whole time. I'm actually really impressed with the car.
Yeah, it's one thing that actually a lot of people talk about is because it's like that happy medium, right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you can comp this. This is a full like competition spec for street like legal comps.
What?
Yeah. So up here we need to go left at this intersection.
Okay. Would this be able to compete back at home in the US?
I think a lot of the US stuff has to be a welding cage, hey?
Oh yeah, welded cage.
Yeah, it can't be a bolting. That's one thing that's kind of a bit different here.
Yeah, but it's okay. You don't plan on going to the US anyways, right?
Not with this, no.
Yeah, not with this
No, I
one.
got a different car lined up for the US.
Oh shoot. The crows here sound different.
Oh yeah, they do, right? When I
Yeah.
first came here, I was like, what the hell is that?
Ow, ow, ow. The back at home is just like, they just sound like birds.
Yeah. Nah, they're nuts here too. Like they will literally like pick up a huge, like massive bag of trash and you just see it flying off. Because they're so big, they can just take huge amounts.
What?
Yeah. They like lift up the net. They like lift up the net, pull it back and pull a bag out and fly away with it.
That's crazy.
Yeah, they're actually like insane here.
Oh my god. It sounds even cooler in here.
Oh, it's so cool. We just got to our destination. And Randy, how was it?
That was amazing.
Thank you.
Really appreciate that. Wow, I can't believe I got to do that, dude. That car is fun. Yeah. We're bringing that car to the States. We're gonna. Oh, maybe one day I could bring my car here. We could drift.
That would be cool, yeah.
That would be really. I can definitely see that happening.
We can make that happen.
Sure.
For
And then you
sure.
bring that to us one day.
Yeah, I do need to bring that over to the States. That'd be cool.
Out of the way, boys.
Baka Gaijins.
Back. Oh.
Up garage was a little bit of a miss today, but there's definitely some nice cars on the car park. RX-7 FD, which is better than RX-8s.
I agree.
You agree, Sonny? All right. All right. Anyways, lads, I'm gonna actually wrap up the video there. I'm so glad I got to let you drive the S15. Really, it's seriously the best feeling letting these guys drive it and experience it. And
How do you just trust somebody with your car? I'm just kidding. I would do the same thing, to be honest.
anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Smash the like button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.